Hello, welcome to this class. Myself, Mrs. Anjali Sarode. Children, in the previous class, we have learned about roots of the plants. Remember, I told you types of roots. Yes, there are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. But today's our topic is function of root. Lesson number 2, plants. You can see this picture and easily understand the difference between the tap and the fibrous root. So before start functions of root, we just revise it, types of root. Okay, see the picture. The tap root, it is a single long root. See the picture, it is a single and long root with thin roots arising from it. You see, in case of this root system, in taproot system, the main root keep on going, and hence the root are deeper. See, this is a long single root in taproot, and you know that this root system will get in the neem and people and ladyfinger rose plant. So this is a taproot, and the next side is your right hand side, a fibrous root. See, in this case of fibrous root, the roots grow sideways in a bunch, hence they are not deep like taproot system. Okay, so this fibrous root, the many roots arise from the base of the stem. So these are the fibrous root. The green onion, for example, you will see in that plants. You know very well, roots help in soil conservation. They help to bind the soil and protect it from getting washed away. So these are the main characteristic of these roots. Okay, but now come to our today's topic, functions of the root. You can see the pictures of the slide. Functions of the root. Number one, absorption. In this case, a root helps the plant to absorb water and minerals from soil. And number two, fixation. It holds the plants upright in the soil. So these are the main two functions of the root. But in some plants, root perform a special function. For example, in edible types of roots and aerial types. So now let us learn about the edible and what are aerial roots. Okay, edible, you know, I think some roots are eaten by the man and animals. Such roots are called edible roots. For example, carrot, radish, beetroot. These are the example of edible roots. So in edible roots like carrot, radish, beetroot are all are very delicious and nutritious and add variety to the diet, because here the roots perform special function, and they have thick roots which store food for the plants. But in some plants, root provide extra support to the plant. For example, banyan and maize plants also. See in this picture, your left side, banyan tree, the branches of banyan tree get extra support with the help of special roots that grow downward from the branches. Okay, similarly, same some plants like maize. See the picture on your right side of this same slide. They have thin and long stem which require extra support to keep them erect. Okay, in such plants, the roots are rising from the base of their stem because that help to support the plant. So in this way, banyan and maize plants roots provide extra support to the plant. Have you understood the special function of root in banyan and maize? Now we learn about the mangroves plants. Here the roots do not get sufficient oxygen in the marshy areas. In such plants, some breathing roots come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. And children, such roots found in the number one banyan tree, number two maize plants, and the third number is the mangrove plants. Such type of roots are called aerial roots. So edible roots and aerial roots, these are different. So functions of root: one, absorption; number two, fixation. And special roots are found in special plants. So we have seen aerial roots and edible roots. Oh, aerial roots, for example, banyan tree, maize plants and mangroves. Now keywords, students: atmosphere. See downside of your slide, on your left side there are four keywords. Atmosphere, the air surrounding the earth. Erect means upright. Germinate means to grow a sprout, and tapos means narrow and gets directed towards a point. I hope you understood well. So read everyday lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you.